Charlotte. Okay. Eat dinner. My tail. Black. Next.
Sophia, look, he's asleep. Oh, shh. Don't wake him up. You got him go sleep because you were reading to him. What about Jersey?
I'll be right back. Minutes. I missed.
These pajamas.
There it is. Come get the book. You gotta read it to Jersey too.
I want to read the
Alyssa.
Come here.
No?
I will.
Those are pajamas.
Don't cover her face too much.
I want to read.
Go ahead. Go ahead. We're waiting to see what happens.
What's this, Mommy?
What's that? Those. That's for the Marine Corps.
The man car?
Yeah, that's for the Marine Corps.
Hey, right
Uh-huh. That's, you gotta count the Marines in the picture.
there. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
6,
Yup.
100.
All right.
Number 1. Number 8. Number 6. Number 5.
10.
Number
Can you...
Number 1.
Lift up the book. Show Mommy the cover of the book so we can all see what you're reading, Jersey and Capone. Show me the front of the book. Let's see what you're reading them to bed. To go to bed. My first counting book, The Marines. Huh? Can you say oorah?
You want to read it?
Okay, can you say oorah?
All right.
Can you say Semper Fi?
Number 5.
There you go, Semper Fi.